The scientists at Japan's Primate Research Institute, the PRI, where Ayumu is based, have devised intelligence tests for chimps. One test is for what's called working memory, the brain's ability to temporarily store and use information. The numbers 1 to 9 are randomly scattered across a touchscreen. The chimp looks at them for as long as is needed to memorise the layout. Then, as soon as 1 is touched, the other numbers are hidden and must now be remembered. We volunteered Chris, the director of this programme, to demonstrate this test. He's a college graduate and a crossword addict, but how good is his working memory? When Chris reckons he has memorised the layout, he touches 1. When the others are hidden, he must try to recall 2 to 9 in ascending order.
It takes me ages to remember where they're all placed, and then I think I've got it. It's really very, very difficult.
In 30 attempts, Chris only once reached 9 without making a mistake.
As soon as they're blanked over, it's like my mind's been blanked over as well.
When Ayumu sat the same test, he correctly remembered the numbers almost 90% of the time.
Ayumu gets it right almost every time, and I've got it right once.
Chris fears he's let his species down. But even when the PRI played Ayumu against their best human students who were given regular practice sessions, Ayumu still beat all humans. Other chimps at the PRI have also sat the exams. Among these apes, computer skills are as normal as the ability to swing from the trees. Though none of his rivals beat Ayumu, a few came close, and average chimp results turned out to be higher than amongst humans. So, does that efficient working memory mean chimps are cleverer than humans? We tracked down a scientist who studies chimps in the wild, Dr. Nick Newton-Fisher.
I think it's interesting the results that suggest that chimps may have particular cognitive abilities that are different and maybe in some aspects better than humans, because chimpanzees are not small, primitive, furry humans. They are a species that we share a common ancestor with maybe 5 or 6 million years ago, but they've evolved along their own individual path. They're better at doing chimp things and we're better at doing human things. And some chimp things may not simply be climbing up and down trees and eating figs. Some of those chimp things might be mental abilities as well.
That's chimps 1, humans 0.